Hello, in front of me I've got PREYON Silent Claw. In this video I'll show you device preview. The PREYON Silent Claw is highly versatile, enthusiastic grade mechanical keyboard geared toward users who want high-performance gaming and typing experience without the loud, distracting clicks. It features premium gasket-mount internal construction which cushions your typing, resulting in deeper, more dampened sound profile and softer feel. It is sold in two physical form factors to match your desk space: compact TKL 82 keys layout and full size with 103 keys layout. The keyboard type is mechanical and the mounting style is gasket mount with sound dampening foam layers. Keycap materials are made from PBT, durable textured finish that won't shine over time. It has anti-ghosting, full N key roller, backlighting, full per key RGB with multiple customizable lighting effects, and the battery capacity is 8000 mAh. Massive capacity delivering up to 800 hours of use. The keyboard has multifunctional volume knob, integrated small LCD display screen that supports status updates and custom GIF animations. It is wireless. It does support Bluetooth and support 4G. Also, it does support hot swap, and it is equipped with Gateron Pro 3 mechanical switches. It has dedicated app, and the pulling rate operates at gaming standard 1000 Hz. It is compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS and Android. It also works out of the box with gaming consoles like PS4, PS5, Xbox Series X and S via the 2.4 GHz dongle or wired mode for games that natively support keyboard inputs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.